Hello everyone, if you're facing this error when you're trying to update your Windows, something went wrong, try to reopen settings later, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying Windows update error on your computer. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here Windows Update, you're going to go into your Windows Update settings, here you're going to click onto advanced options, you're going to go into recovery and then you're going to click on to reinstall now right next to fix problems using Windows Update. Tick on this checkbox and then click OK on here, and this program will try to fix your problem using Windows Update's recovery program. So just wait for it to do its thing, and once it restarts your computer, check if that fixes your issue. But if it didn't, then what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write run. You're going to write services.msc. You're going to find Windows Update here. Just go into Windows Update. When we find it, here it is. Right click on it, go into properties, set this to automatic and first close it. Click OK on here and then right click on Windows Update, go into properties, select start on here, click OK then. And now just go ahead and restart your computer once again. And once you're done with the restart, now when you go ahead and check for updates, you'll see that you won't get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.